all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news of cryptocurrency from all over the corners of the world. Everything from Ethereum to Bitcoin to what's going on in Dogecoin, cryptocurrency mining rigs. Today, we're going to be talking about how AMC is going to be accepting Bitcoin by the end of this year. We've been talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for the last week or two and what you can get invested in and what you want to keep your eye on. If you can do me a favor and go ahead and hit the like button right below and go ahead and hit the subscribe to be subscribed to our channel, and also you want to hit the bell icon so you can always get the updated videos that are coming out every single day. With that, let's go ahead and check out AMC. All right, AMC says it will accept Bitcoin as a payment for movie tickets by the end of the year. Wow. CEO Adam Aron said during an earning call Monday that the movie theater chain will have its IT system in place to take cryptocurrency as a payment by the end of the year 2021. The price of Bitcoin has swung dramatically in the last few weeks. Last trading at about 45,000, but in the last month it was down as low as 30,000. Also, let's go ahead and AMC Entertainment said Monday it will start accepting Bitcoin as a payment for movie tickets, concessions, if you purchase it online for all the U.S. theaters in the United States. CEO Adam Aron says during an earning call Monday that the movie theater chain will have its IT system in place to take cryptocurrency as a payment by the end of the year. Let's take a listen to what he says.
Now, that's an example of playing offense. Another example of playing offense, we're going to get quite involved in the world of cryptocurrency. We announced yesterday that we're going to be accepting Bitcoin as payment online for online purchases for AMC admissions and concessions. There's much more.
All right, so there you go. AMC is going to be accepting cryptocurrency. Also a couple other things. CEO Aron says that during the call that they're going to be accepting it. The movie marks a marriage of two highly speculative assets. Bitcoin, known for its wild craziness, vitality, and AMC, which became a meme stock rock star favored in the retail trader of the Reddit and famous Wall Street Bits formal. The price of Bitcoin has swung dramatically in the last recent weeks, last trading around 46,000, but in the last month it went as low as $30,000. The recent rebound came when the cryptocurrency compromise also as part of the bipartisan infringement package. The Senate ultimately failed to advance the deal. So with that, basically, here we go. AMC theaters are going to be accepting Bitcoin online for movie tickets, for concessions, for all kinds of things. So again, when it comes to investing, if Mr. Musk, Elon Musk, if he owns Bitcoin, and Tesla owns Bitcoin, and SpaceX owns Bitcoin, and Burger King in Brazil is starting to accept dog purrs with Dogecoin, cryptocurrency. I mean, think about it. And now AMC is going to be accepting Bitcoin by the end of the year. You definitely want to probably be keeping an eye on Bitcoin. With that, let's go on over to the top 10. So jumping over to the top 10 here, Bitcoin is at number 1. In the last 7 days, it's up 18.96%. In the last 24 hours, it's down slightly. Bitcoin is right around $45,732 right now. Ethereum is doing a rock star kind of performance in the last week. Ethereum is up 25% in the last 7 days. It's up about 1% in the last 24 hours, and it's over 3,100, 3,168. Binance Coin has moved into number 3. It's up 16% in the last 7 days. Remember why we go over this, because again, if you're a beginner or a veteran, when you start seeing all these names and increases and stuff, you may want to put those on your watch list of what you want to pay attention to. Cardano has moved up to number 5 with a 26% increase. Look at that. Cardano is at $1.72. XRP is at number 6 with a 21% increase in the last 7 days, 7% in the last 24 hours. The Dogecoin is up 30%. 30% in the last week. There's some serious going up to the moon. The Doge is up 30% in the last 7 days. US coin is right there, stable. Polkadot is at number 9 at 19% increase in the last 7 days. And Uniswap is a gigantic, I mean, listen to this, guys, gigantic 36.9% increase in the last 7 days. if Uniswap, if you were thinking about Uniswap about 2 weeks ago, you're very, very happy. Uniswap is up 29.5, $29. So with that, also going on, the crypto global market is at $1.88 trillion. It's a little increase of 1.68% in the last day. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and check out a credit card that's going to offer you it's going to offer you Bitcoin in the form of reward. Hey everybody, BlockFi is offering you Bitcoin as a reward. It says don't just buy Bitcoin, earn it. The BlockFi is the easiest place to buy, sell, and earn cryptocurrency. Sign up and start earning today. Also, BlockFi says earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Introducing the BlockFi Reward Visa Signature Credit Card, the whole world's first Bitcoin reward credit card. We actually ordered ours. We'll have our credit card here in the next week or so, and we'll be going over all kinds of features of it. Next thing, earn more from your crypto with BlockFi Interest Account. Your cryptocurrency can earn up to 7.5% interest, secured daily, and it is paid monthly. There is no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. Also, instant trade, immediate interest, low cost. With BlockFi trading, you can buy, sell, or exchange a variety of cryptocurrency at competitive prices and start earning interest the moment you trade. Trade is in place. So borrow as money as rate as low as 4.5%. So here's the thing, everybody. If AMC is accepting Bitcoin, if all of a sudden Mr. Musk and SpaceX and also Tesla owns Bitcoin, and credit cards are giving you rewards in Bitcoin. There's all kinds of information going on in Bitcoin. You want to probably keep an eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin may be something that you want to take a look at. They're talking about Bitcoin in the future going to over 100,000. Now again, remember all my information here with Frank's Crypto Corner is for educational purposes only. But there's a lot of good stuff going on. Let's go ahead and see what Mark Cuban has to say about the Bitcoin right now. Billionaire Mark Cuban issues a serious Bitcoin and crypto warning even as Bitcoin nears 50,000 in price. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has soared in recent days, even after the U.S. Senate rejected a bipartisan compromise on crypto tax provision in its $1 trillion infrastructure bill. The Bitcoin prices has added almost 20% over the last week, climbing to over 45,000. And here's what ahead of the Senate showdown yesterday, billionaire, entrepreneur, investor Mark Cuban warned shutting off Bitcoin and crypto growth engine would be like stopping e-commerce in 1995. So again, Mark Cuban, basically he's liking the Bitcoin and he's liking the crypto market. Last thing we're going to go over is a little Robinhood. All right, over here at Robinhood, so let's just see how simple the features are. Right here, Bitcoin is at 45,600. If you go to the week feature right here, you can go to the 1 month feature, you can go to the 3 month feature. But again, Bitcoin right here is at 45,606. Over here, it says my average cost was 43,000. I also want to show you Ethereum real quick. Going down here to Ethereum is at 3165. So you can check out your Ethereum, what it did in the last 5 years, what it's done in the last year. These features are really nice. And the last one, we're going to do a little Dogecoin. Going for the Doge right here. Doge is up at 2587. We actually have, I think we got quite a few. We got 4,100 Doges at about 25% price. We got about $1,000 in Doge. They talk about how the Doge is going to go to $1. So with that, everybody, there's a lot of good stuff going on. AMC is going to start accepting Bitcoin. Credit cards are giving you rewards in Bitcoin. I mean, in Brazil, Burger King is actually the cryptocurrency, the Dogecoin. You can actually get a dog purr for your dog with Dogecoin. So there's just a lot of things going on in cryptocurrency. When you see big companies like AMC saying that they're going to accept Bitcoin by the end of the year, you're a small investor or a big investor. Well, Mr. Musk is a big investor, and he owns 3 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, a little bit of Ethereum, and a little bit of Dogecoin. With that, can you go ahead and like our like button right here to like our videos. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Definitely hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any videos. Also, if you can click right here, you're going to see our most recent video. And what we're going to be talking about in the next coming weeks is going to basically be cryptocurrency mining from your basement. So Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a great day.